Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create a mock-up on Canva mobile so you can enhance your business. So you just need to open the project that you have been running right here. Wait until the project is perfectly loaded. Now let's just add the Mockup application. Tap into the design and then take a look on this bottom sections. Swipe it into the left side until you got the apps. Just go tap on it and then you just need to search into the Canva apps here, Mockups, and then just go tap it. And the next you just need to tap into this application, which is the Mockup, and then you just need to find the mockups that you want to have for your product. And let's say here I will let you use a TV and tablets, and I could say I will let you use this one. So I just need to go tap it and wait until it's loaded, and then you just need to fill in all of the screen, and then you just need to go tap into the picture. Wait a minute, it's kind of like loading, and then you just need to insert the picture that you want to use right here. So you just need to go tap into upload, and you just need to find the new files on your photo library, and then you just need to pick the product of your business and go click add, and then you just need to tap on it so that it will be up here on the project, and then you just need to wait a minute. So you just need to drag the picture here that you just added into the mockup sections over here, and that it could be loaded, and that it could be added into the mockup application. So that's the way how you can add the mockup on a kind of application on mobile phone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.